If you're over 60 and find yourself tossing and turning at night, waking up feeling even more tired than when you went to bed, I want you to know you're not imagining it. There's something happening in your body that's working against your sleep, and it's not your fault. The good news is, science has uncovered a simple, doctor-approved nighttime trick that can help you sleep deeply, restore your energy, and even boost your metabolism, as if you were decades younger. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, alert, and full of energy, almost like you did in your 20s or 30s. That's not a dream. It's entirely possible. It all starts with understanding how your body changes after 60, and what small adjustments can reset your sleep rhythm for maximum benefit. Most people over 60 just accept poor sleep as a part of getting older. They try to power through the day with caffeine, or even turn to sleeping pills. But here's the harsh truth. Poor sleep isn't just an inconvenience. It actively damages your body. When your sleep is broken, your stress hormone, cortisol, spikes. This increases inflammation, raises your blood sugar, and slows down your metabolism to a crawl. Your body's natural ability to burn fat and maintain muscle depends on deep, restorative sleep. Without it, even a healthy diet and exercise won't give you the results you deserve. On one hand, ignoring your sleep leads to constant fatigue, stubborn weight gain, and a higher risk of serious health issues. But on the other hand, by working with your body's natural sleep cycles, even after 60, you can trigger remarkable transformations in your energy, mood, and overall vitality. The trick I'm about to share is backed by research from leading institutions like Johns Hopkins, Harvard Medical School, and the University of Copenhagen. It's a combination of timing, your environment, and a simple breathing technique that targets your body's natural rhythms. First, let's talk about your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock. After 60, this clock often shifts. You might feel sleepy earlier in the evening, but then wake up multiple times throughout the night. Scientists call this a phase shift. It's normal, but you don't have to let it control you. By making small adjustments, you can reset your clock so your body naturally moves into deep, restorative sleep. Start with your sleep timing. Your body produces the sleep hormone, melatonin, in response to darkness. But artificial light from screens and irregular schedules suppress it, leaving your brain wide awake. Seniors are especially sensitive to this. Research shows that just by dimming the lights 1 hour before bed and avoiding screens, you can increase melatonin production by up to 30%. That one simple change can lead to deeper, more restful sleep, allowing your body to do its nightly repair work. Reducing inflammation, lowering cortisol, and optimizing your metabolism. Next, let's look at your environment. The temperature, your bedding, and even sounds in your bedroom have a huge impact. Studies show that sleeping in a cooler room, around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, promotes longer periods of deep sleep. This is the stage of sleep that's essential for memory and metabolic regulation. Contrast that with a warmer bedroom, where you might fall asleep faster but spend less time in those crucial restorative stages, leaving you groggy. Small changes like blackout curtains, a white noise machine, or even a cooling pillow can make a massive difference. And now, for the secret element most people overlook: your breathing. A recent study from the University of Copenhagen found that a specific breathing technique can activate your vagus nerve. This not only reduces stress, but also triggers a metabolic response that encourages fat burning and energy restoration overnight. This isn't complicated meditation. It's a simple technique you can do right in bed. Here's how you do it. Inhale gently through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly, and make sure only your belly is rising and falling. This is called diaphragmatic breathing, and it activates your body's relaxation response, lowers cortisol, and primes you for deep, uninterrupted sleep. Imagine the contrast. Before, you were tossing and turning, stressed, and waking up exhausted. Now, by using this breathing technique in the right environment, your body naturally glides into restorative sleep. Participants in the Copenhagen study, who were all between 60 and 79, didn't just report deeper sleep. They saw measurable improvements in energy, focus, and even a reduction in their waistline, all without changing their diet or exercise. The beauty of this approach is that it's gradual, natural, and completely in your control. You're not relying on supplements or expensive gadgets. You're simply giving your body the right signals at the right time. To maximize your results, pair the breathing with a simple evening ritual: a warm, non-caffeinated drink, dim lighting, and a consistent bedtime. Over time, your body learns to anticipate sleep. Your hormones balance out, and deep sleep becomes automatic. This also tackles a hidden struggle for many seniors: a slowing metabolism. Poor sleep disrupts insulin sensitivity, making it harder to regulate blood sugar and burn fat. By improving your deep sleep with these techniques, your insulin levels stabilize, and your body can enter a natural fat-burning state overnight. This is why people don't just feel more rested. They start to see changes in their energy and body composition within a few weeks. So many people assume they're doomed to fragmented sleep and daytime fatigue. But the reality is, with these simple, scientifically backed adjustments, you can reverse those patterns and wake up with more energy and vitality than you've felt in years. The key is layering these strategies. Your environment, your schedule, and your breathing all work together. Once you've mastered the breathing and optimized your bedroom, the next step is to reinforce these signals with a consistent wind-down ritual. This could be a warm cup of herbal tea, some gentle stretching, or reading a book under dim light. Even a few minutes of journaling can help clear your mind and reduce the cortisol spike that sabotages sleep. By creating this consistent cue, your body learns to transition into deep sleep effortlessly. Also, be mindful of what you drink in the evening. Avoid caffeine and sugary drinks late in the day. Stick to water or relaxing herbal teas. This simple swap prevents blood sugar spikes and helps your body prepare for rest. Remember, the secret to sleeping deeply after 60 isn't a one-time fix. It's a committed nightly practice. By combining breathing, environment, schedule, and a calming ritual, you empower your body to do what it's designed to do: repair, rejuvenate, and restore itself. Within just a few nights, you'll start to feel a noticeable difference. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your best life at any age. We'll see you in the next video.